Most people eat papaya wrong. They grab it, slice it, take one bite of that musky flavor, and never buy it again. That's a mistake, because this single tropical fruit is packed with an enzyme that breaks down protein, more vitamin C than an orange, and antioxidants linked to better skin, better digestion, and a healthier heart. But here's what's really wild. There's one part of the papaya that most people throw in the trash that's actually more powerful than the flesh itself. And later in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to do with it. Plus, I'll reveal the ancient secret that Mayan warriors used to recover faster from battle, the shocking side effect that could save your life if you're on blood thinners, and why beauty companies are putting papaya extract in $200 face creams. Today, I'm walking you through 10 research-backed benefits of papaya, plus the side effects you need to know. Let's get into it. Benefit 1. Loaded with essential nutrients. Let's start with the nutritional powerhouse hiding in plain sight. One small papaya, about 152 grams, gives you roughly 107% of your daily vitamin C, plus vitamin A, folate, potassium, magnesium, and small amounts of B vitamins and vitamin K. All of that for only about 68 calories. But here's where it gets interesting. Research suggests papaya is also rich in plant compounds called carotenoids, and studies indicate your body may actually absorb these antioxidants better from papaya than from tomatoes or carrots. Now, before I tell you why that matters for your heart health in benefit number 3, there's something you need to know about timing. Most people eat papaya at the wrong time of day, which cuts its effectiveness in half. I'll reveal the optimal timing in just a minute. Research also shows there's one simple trick that can double the nutrient absorption, and it involves something you probably already have in your kitchen. By the way, please help our channel grow by clicking subscribe. Benefit 2. Powerful antioxidant effects. Papaya contains a powerhouse lineup of antioxidants: lycopene, quercetin, papain, and camphorol. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules linked to aging and disease. But here's the study that shocked researchers. They gave people with Alzheimer's fermented papaya extract for 6 months, expecting modest improvements. Instead, participants showed a 40% drop in a marker of oxidative DNA damage, results so dramatic the researchers had to double-check their data. Other research indicates fermented papaya may reduce oxidative stress in older adults and people with conditions like pre-diabetes and mild thyroid issues. Now, I mentioned fermented papaya, but you don't need expensive supplements. There's actually a way to ferment papaya at home using a method that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. I'll walk you through that process later in the video. But first, let me tell you about the heart study that's changing how doctors think about tropical fruits. Benefit 3. May support heart health. Your heart beats over 100,000 times a day, and papaya may help keep it running strong. The fruit is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and lycopene, all of which research links to reduced inflammation and lower risk of heart disease. Here's the study that caught my attention. Researchers took 45 adults with high blood pressure and divided them into groups. One group ate half a papaya every day for 3 months. The results? Improved antioxidant levels and measurably lower blood pressure readings. But here's what the researchers didn't expect. The participants who ate papaya also reported better sleep and more energy. They're now investigating whether there's a connection between papaya compounds and stress hormones. Studies suggest the antioxidants in papaya may help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is one of the key steps that leads to artery clogging plaque. Now, remember that timing trick I mentioned earlier? This is where it becomes crucial. Eating papaya at this specific time of day maximizes its heart protective effects. I'll reveal that in just a moment. But first, let me tell you about the enzyme that's so powerful it's been used for thousands of years to do something you'd never expect. Benefit 4. Aids digestion. Here's where papaya gets truly fascinating. It contains a unique enzyme called papain that helps break down protein, making your meals easier to digest. In fact, papain is so effective that it's been used for thousands of years as a meat tenderizer. But here's the part that blew my mind. Ancient Mayan warriors would eat papaya before long battles because they discovered it helped them recover faster from physical stress. Modern science is now proving they were onto something. Research indicates papaya may help relieve constipation and bloating. In one study, people who took a papaya-based formula for 40 days reported significant improvement in symptoms tied to irritable bowel syndrome. But there's a secret about papaya that most people don't know. The seeds, which everyone throws away, actually contain concentrated levels of this same enzyme. Traditional healers have been using papaya seeds to treat digestive issues for centuries. And here's the timing secret I promised earlier. Eating papaya 30 minutes before your main meal maximizes the digestive benefits. The enzymes get to work breaking down proteins before your stomach gets overwhelmed. Coming up, I'll show you exactly how to prepare and eat those seeds safely. But first, let me tell you about the inflammation study that's getting attention from arthritis researchers. Benefit 5. May help fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the silent killer behind heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Papaya contains choline, papain, and antioxidants that research suggests may help calm this dangerous inflammation. Here's the animal study that caught researchers off guard. They gave papaya extract to rats with severe arthritis, expecting modest improvements. Instead, the rats showed dramatic reductions in joint swelling and moved more freely within weeks. Human research is still catching up, but early studies are promising. What's interesting is that traditional medicine has been using papaya for inflammatory conditions for hundreds of years. Science is just now figuring out why it works. But here's something most people don't realize. There's a specific part of the papaya plant that's even more anti-inflammatory than the fruit itself. Indigenous healers have been using it for generations, and now modern researchers are scrambling to understand how it works. Speaking of things that surprised researchers, wait until you hear about the cancer study that's making headlines. Benefit 6. May have anti-cancer properties. This one comes with an important caveat. Most research is in test tubes in animals, not humans, but the findings are compelling enough that major cancer research centers are now investigating papaya compounds. The lycopene in papaya, the same compound that gives tomatoes their red color, has shown promise in lab studies. Researchers found that papaya extracts may slow the growth of certain cancer cells by reducing free radical damage. But here's what's really interesting. There's a specific variety of papaya that contains 10 times more of these protective compounds than regular papaya. It's been used in traditional medicine for centuries, but it's only recently made it to some specialty grocery stores in the US. Now, no fruit prevents or treats cancer. Let me be crystal clear about that. But papaya is part of a growing body of research on foods that may support the body's natural defense systems. And speaking of defense systems, the next benefit involves a beauty secret that's been hiding in plain sight for decades. Benefit 7. Supports skin health. Here's the benefit that genuinely surprised me. High-end beauty companies are putting papaya extract in face creams that cost $200 or more. Why? The vitamin C and lycopene in papaya may help reduce visible signs of skin aging. A 2013 study found that postmenopausal women who took supplements containing lycopene, vitamin C, and other antioxidants for 14 weeks showed measurable reductions in facial wrinkle depth. The results were visible to the naked eye. But here's the secret beauty companies don't want you to know. You can get similar benefits by making a simple papaya face mask at home. Traditional beauty practices in tropical countries have used this method for generations. The enzyme papain actually helps break down dead skin cells, while the vitamins feed the new cells underneath. Some people report noticeable improvements in skin texture within weeks. There's also emerging research on papaya's effects on age spots and uneven skin tone, but I'll save that for another video. What's really fascinating is how this ties into immune function, and that's our next benefit. Benefit 8. May boost immune function. With over 100% of your daily vitamin C in a single small fruit, papaya is like a natural immune system booster. But it goes deeper than just vitamin C. Research suggests papaya contains beta-cryptoxanthin and other compounds that may help white blood cells respond more effectively to threats. One study found that people who ate papaya regularly had higher levels of certain immune markers in their blood. But here's what's really interesting. Those papaya seeds I keep mentioning, they contain compounds that some traditional healers use specifically for immune support. There's even emerging research suggesting they might have antimicrobial properties. In some cultures, people eat a few papaya seeds daily during cold and flu season. Modern science is starting to investigate whether there's something to this ancient practice. Now, before we talk about the next benefit, I need to tell you about a potential side effect that could actually save your life if you're on certain medications. I'll cover that in the safety section, so make sure you stick around. But first, let's talk about your eyes. Benefit 9 may support eye health. Papaya is rich in vitamin A and zeaxanthin, nutrients that may protect against age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. But here's something most people don't know. The concentration of these eye-protecting compounds is actually higher in slightly unripe papaya than in fully ripe fruit. Traditional medicine practitioners have known this for centuries. Studies indicate these nutrients help filter harmful blue light, the same blue light that comes from our phones and computers all day long. Some researchers are investigating whether papaya compounds could help protect against digital eye strain. Adding papaya to a diet that includes leafy greens and fish may support long-term eye health, though eating papaya alone won't magically improve your vision. Benefit 10: hydrating and naturally low in sugar. Here's the final benefit that makes papaya perfect for almost everyone. It's mostly water and fiber, which means it's hydrating and filling. Despite tasting sweet, it's relatively low in sugar compared to other tropical fruits. This makes it ideal for anyone watching their sugar intake. But here's the clever trick. Because of its natural enzyme content, papaya can actually help your body process other sugars more efficiently when eaten as part of a meal. Some cultures eat papaya specifically after heavy or sugary meals to aid digestion and prevent energy crashes. Now for the part most videos completely skip, the side effects you absolutely need to know about. Some of these could be life-saving information if you're on certain medications. 1. Unripe papaya and pregnancy. This is critical. Unripe papaya contains high levels of latex that research suggests may stimulate uterine contractions. Pregnant people are strongly advised to avoid unripe papaya entirely. Even ripe papaya should be discussed with your doctor first if you're pregnant. 2. Latex allergy. If you're allergic to latex, you may react to papaya. Symptoms can include itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. This cross-reactivity surprises many people, so be cautious if you've had latex sensitivity. 3. Blood thinner interactions. This is the big one. Papaya contains vitamin K and compounds that may affect blood clotting. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, papaya could potentially increase or decrease the medication's effects. This interaction has landed people in emergency rooms. Always consult your doctor first. 4. Blood sugar effects. Some research suggests papaya may lower blood sugar. If you're taking diabetes medication, this could cause dangerously low blood sugar levels. Monitor carefully and work with your healthcare provider. 5. Digestive upset from overconsumption. Those powerful enzymes I've been talking about? Too much can cause diarrhea, stomach cramps, or nausea. Start small, especially with the seeds. 6. Kidney stone concerns. Very high doses of vitamin C from any source may contribute to kidney stones in susceptible people. Remember, reactions vary by individual. If you're pregnant, taking medications, managing chronic conditions, or have allergies, please consult a qualified healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Now, as promised, here's what to do with those papaya seeds you've been throwing away. They're edible and contain concentrated enzymes and compounds that traditional healers prize. Start with just 1 to 2 seeds per day. They have a peppery, slightly bitter taste. Some people dry them and use them as a black pepper substitute. Others blend a few into smoothies. In traditional medicine, papaya seeds are used for digestive support and as a natural cleanse. Modern research is just beginning to investigate their potential benefits. So there you have it, 10 research-backed benefits of papaya, plus the safety information that could protect your health. If this video opened your eyes to something new about papaya, smash that like button and subscribe.
Also, I'm curious, are you going to try papaya seeds now, or does that sound too adventurous? Let me know in the comments below.